Hey, what is up guys, Wei Wei here, and today we're going to be talking about the DJI Mavic 2 Pro. So I've got it right here and we're going to go through all its detailed specs and performance updates, and we're also going to take it for a test flight. Sometimes I like to dream about unicorns and all other sorts of stuff. Hope this channel succeeds, but make sure you subscribe, like, and also share this channel with your friends. You never know where it's going to get you. Tech news daily, maybe, always weekly. Check it out. Yeah. Oh, Jesus Christ. Oh, man. Man, I gotta stop watching it and looking at freaking Mavic 2 reviews. Whew. Oh, damn. Hey, it's Wei Wei, and today we're going to be checking out the latest news and leaks on the DJI Mavic 2. And on the 9th, DJI announced that the 23rd of August will be the official launch date of the series. And leaked images and news that we got in late July shows there may be 2 to 3 new drones that we might get in the lineup. With the 2 drones leaked in the Argos catalog, they are named the Mavic 2 Zoom and Mavic 2 Pro. Both with different price tags and purposes. The Mavic 2 Zoom sports a 2x optical zoom lens, while the Mavic 2 Pro has a 1-inch CMOS sensor. With other notes describing the Mavic 2 as being small and powerful, with 1080p video transmission and up to 8 kilometers, and having speeds of up to 20 meters a second, and can also stay in the air for around 31 minutes thanks to its 4820 milliamp battery. Other functions of the Mavic 2 include the omnidirectional APAS obstacle sensing and active track 2 with dolly zoom functions on the Mavic 2 Zoom. Other leaks come in the form of an image which shows what looks to be similar to a Mavic Pro with the Mavic 2 branding on the arm, with other leaked images showing other versions of the Mavic 2. This version is supposedly the Mavic 2 Enterprise. It shows to have the ability to be fitted out with different accessories and sensors. In the images, what looks like the omnidirectional LED signaling light is seen, while other images show speaker attachments mounted. With the 3 models hopefully to be released on the 23rd of this month, other rumors in late July have shown the Mavic 2's hardware and specifications. Camera possibilities include the Hasselblad camera with 1-inch CMOS sensor and the 12 megapixel Sony IMX226 CMOS 1 to 1.7 inch sensor with zoom capabilities. Maybe with these camera upgrades, the Mavic 2 Pro could possibly have the capability to record at 4K 60 frames per second. The Mavic 2 looks to be an exciting release, especially if all these leaks and rumors are true. With the release date coming up, the price point that we're looking at is around $1,299 US, which is translated to around 1,789 Australian dollars for us Aussies. For first-time drone pilots and buyers, this will make a great first purchase. And for those with older models like the Phantom 4 and the original Mavic, pretty much the Mavic 2 lineup should be a great upgrade option. Hey guys, hope you enjoyed that video, and if you did, make sure you hit that like and subscribe below, and make sure you click that bell notification icon for any upcoming videos. Also guys, if you want to check out my previous video, which is a review on a 55-inch 4K Kogan television, you can do that as well. And if you want to check out any more leaks and rumors on the Mavic 2 Pro, they will be down in the video description. Otherwise, take care, stay safe, and I'll see you in the next video. Yeah, so can we get a drone to review? Oh.